Hi YouTube, I'm getting ready to do an unboxing. I have Ipsy and my very first Birchbox. So I'll do Ipsy first. And this is the bag. And it came with a brush, a blending brush. And this is a little note. And let's see what's in the bag. Okay. First, this is Mark Anthony Deep Repair Aloe Vera. It's a hair mask. And this is from Tarteist Lip Paint, and it's in rose. And this is from First Aid Beauty. It's an Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Never tried them. Really looking forward to it. And, never heard of this brand before. M Princess Pressed in Chestnut. And that's it for the Ipsy bag. Now for the Birchbox. Called Creepy Cutes. And the most expensive thing in here is $40. So let's take a look. Okay, first I see a palette, and it's the Naked palette. And I've seen this on, they've shown a lot of the reviews, shown it on their Instagram and Snapchat and stuff, so I was looking forward to this because the colors seem really pretty. Now let's see what they look like. Oh, those are pretty. Very pretty colors. And then the fan brush. It's from Crown. Really soft. This is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I have all these primers and I can't wear foundation, so I don't even know what to do with them. And this is lip liner from Real Her. Never heard of this brand. And it's called I Am Unique. Let's open it. See what it looks like. Okay, here we go. If it will even come out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Really pretty. And this is called Dirty Little Secret. It is a velvet matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, that's so cute. I love my lipstick, so this is perfect for me. I don't know about the color though. Let's Ooh, that's bright. Ooh, bright. But I like bright, so hopefully it'll look good on me. It's really pretty. And that is it for my boxes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.